So in this Alight Motion tutorial, I will be showing you how to add pictures in a video here in Alight Motion. So if you have your video playing and you want to add photos maybe at certain points, it's pretty simple. Select the point that you want to add the photo in, then go to the bottom right, press the plus icon, then go to where it says media, and then you can select your media this way. So I'm just going to use some sample media right here. I'm going to go ahead and maybe select this option right here. There you go. So this time if I were to play my video right here, the picture is displaying, but if you wanted to maybe make this a little bit smaller, for example, which I will do, and then I will move this to the top right corner. If I were to play the video one more time, here's my video, then there's the picture added, and you can kind of go from there. If you want to add effects to the picture, you can go ahead, add effects this way, do what you got to do, and just kind of play around with it. But you guys get the point, pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how to add pictures inside of a video here in Alight Motion. Thanks again for watching, and hope this helps.